Good morning, you guys. Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, I'm actually currently in a live trade right now. Here on the NQ Futures, I end up actually taking this sell signal right here. What I ended up doing, this is something that you guys can do as well and implement into your strategy. The 1 minute time frame, sometimes earlier in the market, can be kind of firing off a lot of signals. I want you to go to the 2 minute time frame as the max time frame, and this is actually the max time frame that I personally like to trade in the market. This is going to be over here on my prop firm account, so you guys can keep a track of total P&L per account that I'm actually trading with right now. Currently it is 7:26 a.m. Now, you guys, all these metrics were just in line perfect. Like everything, literally everything, sales signal, money flowing out of the market, which is great. Great strong bearish candle here on these metrics, and I'm just getting a sell signal. I wasn't able to get filled right at that candle close, but very close to it. And currently just drawing it down, currently up. This is 550 ticks, but I believe that's for actually all four accounts. Since I have these linked to multiple ones, this is actually me the total profit per account that we're actually trading with this morning. So if you guys were not able to get in on some of these other signals here, another buy signal here, this one ended up resulting in, let's see how much that one would have been this morning. Not as much of a profit, still a little bit at candle close here. The first price action that went below, I would have looked at potentially getting out. Possibly 12 down, ended up doing anywhere between about 20 up. Something I want you guys to ask yourself and actually set a rule on is when you're on the 1 or 2 minute time frame trading the NQ or ES, this looks like it's moving actually pretty good right now. Go for a certain amount of points in the market if you're just starting off. And what I would suggest is try to go for that like 10 points, 10 to 20 points on the ES, 10 points if you're trading the 1 minute time frame, 20 points or so if you're trading the 2 minute time frame, but try to just get into a pattern of holding trades longer. You know, it's something that myself I'm trying to learn with a lot more. And the way that I've actually been able to do this to get a lot of the stimulation of the money side around this is to actually just trade with less lots in the market. You know, I've been trading with 2 lots, which you guys have known for a long time. That's usually the max that I do. I've actually just gone down to 1 lot, and that's what I told myself this week. And I was like, let's just trade with 1 contract, and let's see, not the dollar amount so much per se, but let's just say how many points can we actually take out in the market per day by holding trades longer and staying within trends, making sure our profit wave is still heading to the downside, and that price action, at any point price action does come back up and close above our profit wave. So let's say we're in a downtrend here and profit wave comes back up to capitalize on exits, or in positions like this, you guys, I would really love to see this price come down and test these levels of support in the market, and that's where I would potentially just be looking to get out of the trade. If on this trade, this ends up closing for a good $1,000 profit, if not more, that is really good. You guys got to remember too that when you're having multiple accounts linked together, you don't have to have a lot of money in the market each day to be able to add up to quite a bit as well. So even thinking of something that's just like $200 a day, it sounds kind of crazy, you guys, but if you think of $200 a day, let's say you didn't have multiple accounts linked, you do that 5 days a week, that's $1,000 or $4,000 a month, which I do a lot of one-on-one trainings. I'm actually completely booked this week on one-on-one trainings, you guys, so which is okay because I'm actually booking out the following week with one-on-ones. But if you guys would like to do so, just let me know. But in a moment here, I'll show you guys exactly where to grab these metrics that I'm specifically using to pull out and see gains like this in the market. This is having a little bit of a retracement here, which is totally fine in my opinion. But let's go and do this actually real quick. Let's go and head over to My Future Success and show you guys exactly where to grab all these metrics that so many people have already done so far. If you guys want to just click the link in the description below, that'll give you direct access and literally lifetime access to everything here. Everyone who does get this does get 50% off all one-on-one trainings. Again, currently booked out this entire week here, but have some trainings that I'm booking out the following week. If you guys would like to get something on the books, take a look at the 5-star ratings over here. Earliest one was about 17 hours ago, 2 days ago, but see if any of these actually resonate with you. I'll go ahead and do an update here. I know you guys like me to do that. End up having 33 as the last one. Let's go and update this to see how many in the last couple days. Looks like another about 30 or so. I'll make sure to do a video here with a shout out of new people that have joined literally within the last 24 hours, grabbing these metrics. But I'm just really excited to show you guys this and for you guys to be on our team here. Guys, looks like this ended up actually coming down a little bit further. Current P&L 1115. Let's just see if this can draw down a little bit more. Again, other thing too is we don't want to get greedy within our trades. This is a good push. You guys, I really like this. Let's go and see if we can close this out here. If this gets anywhere near this level of support in the market, this just needs to be closed out. This is a really well managed trade. I'm super excited with this. I would actually honestly probably just call this a day at this point. after this trade because it's hit a profit target that I really like on here. We'll go over exactly the amount of points that this one ended up actually taking out of the market here in a second. But let's go ahead and close this out here live with you guys first, just to show transparency here on my YouTube channel. And then we'll go over everything. Money momentum, I really like this. This is still just stepping out of the market. This is really good. Yeah, nice little push. Any bit further. Currently up 1,300, 1,400. Let's see if we can get 15 to 16, and then let's just exit out of this. Guys, if we get 1,500, let's go and just close this. Let's not get greedy at all. I don't want this to just kind of all of a sudden backfire on us and go up the other way. Let's keep a track here. 470, 480. One last little push here, and I'll be really happy with this. If we end up getting a draw back up, that's totally okay. There we go. Next candle is formed. I do really like that as another strong bearish candle. Again, strong bearish candles are candles that have these full bodies with wicks out the bottom here. I think one last push on this, and this is going to be it. Could it continue even further down? Sure. Everything in the background is actually still showing us total red. So this is where you want to stay within trades longer. These have all bearish candles that are forming in the market, which is really nice. I just like to use these levels of support as levels of getting out of trades and just calling it a day on that. Could you look for a re-entry? Sure, absolutely. If we end up coming down here, testing this area, price action comes back up and then stays within the red and then flushes down further, could you actually get out of that trade or actually continue back in the trade? You can, absolutely. I would just want you guys to look for the next strongest bearish Hiekin Ashi candle to the downside after you get a slight little bit of a retracement. And that's what I would look at getting out of the market. Getting close here, 70, 80, 1,500. Oh, almost 1,500. Close it out. Let's go and exit market. There we go. Perfect. That ended up doing about $1,500 just this morning. So $1,500. Let's go and pull this up here real quick. If we go 1,500, I end up trading with one contract here. If we divide that by 20, end up taking out 75 points in the market just this morning. Now, you guys, this was the entry. Exit was right down here at this point. There looks like 53. Let's actually show the exact entry and exit on this because this is my exact entry that I had over here on the charts. Let's go into our tools here. Let's go into this point and let's go there to 53. So, or 70. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry, you guys. How many points was that actually in the market? It was more than that. 75 points in the market. So 75 points would have actually drawn this down directly to this point right here. 75 points. Let's see if I can get it actually on 75. Close to it. Close to it. So entry and exit is the exact position playing this morning. It looks like it's actually going to be drawn down a little bit further here because that's exactly how I'm doing it in the market. Each morning that I'm going on here and trading with my accounts, looks like we're going to get a nice little push. Will we actually hit the level of support? Looks like we did, and we actually broke all the way through. Wow, really good trade. If any of you guys are using these metrics, that end up flushing down way further in the market. But you guys, don't get greedy. Take out the profit that you're trying to shoot for each day, and you can call it a day after that. I'm so excited to be here. If you guys would like to do one-on-one trainings, please let me know. Make sure to grab these metrics to start seeing some amazing success. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless.